you have done with your test. From first onwards, you check with once whether you have done or not. Make her learn how to check the paper also, ra.
Paper check chesko. Idi okkati giyalanu.
Next.
Ivanni chesava?
చూపించు ఎట్లా చేసావో ఒకసారి. First one, what have you done with first page?
First page lo em chesavu? Em tick kottavu?
Have you ticked all the fruits?
Toddler.
Very good. Next, circle చేసావు. Next page లో ఏం చేసావు? Let ma'am help. Ma'am will turn the pages and you let me know what did you do.
What you have done here?
Okay. Have you ticked fruits there, Prashi?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next page, what did you do?
This is the.
Have you circled all the vegetables?
It.
Okay, done. Good job. Next, turn the page. Next, in that page, what did you do?
Matching chesa, ma'am.
Where did you? Great job.
Circle chesa.
Very good. That's how you need to check question paper after doing it. Okay. Then next page, what did you do?
This is the circle.
Circled what? Numbers or letters?
Number.
Yes, Prashima. Have you circled numbers or letters?
No, S letters.
Yes.
No numbers.
Okay, that's fine. And have you recited the rhymes? Rhymes? Have you told to your teacher?
ఇది
Rhymes చెప్పావా?
చెప్పా.
Letters identify చేసావా? Alphabet?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Good job. Alphabet కూడా identify చేసావా?
చేసా.
With that, you are done with your test. Okay, good job.
circle చేసేసా.
Okay, good job.